Machita, welcome back to the channel. Gama lami nguseko. Bendithe kwenye video ndiza kwenza midfielders for Kaizer Chiefs efuneke zisayinile. Ndandenze left backs. Enendoda if ibithe izayenza into iyayenza ijiki. Kule video ndizathetha ngoJoseph Bakasu, Ibrahim Jabbar, Ndamulelo Maphangule, Siyanda Hlangabeza, Ayabulela Maxhwele, no Alde Ferreira. So Kaizer Chiefs bafethu idinga at least 2 new midfielders for next season bafethu. Usibongiseni Mthethwa ifavorite abantu abaninzi ngelisho bafethu uyahamba uMthethwa. uGeorge Mahlow uyahamba. uNkosingiphile Ngcobo akahambi but is not killing it uMjita. But Kaizer Chiefs isenazo midfielders lebuhang mabo basinosiphe sihle Ndlovu. But i2 is nowhere near enough for a team efana neKaizer Chiefs. Nephi na i-team of onoba i-top team, i-top division, i-top league eAfrica qobe ne-midfielders ezi2. Ezi midfielders ngithetha ngazo apha zinayo equality ne-level for Kaizer Chiefs. Nendlela i-modern midfielders ezidlala ngayo ki-modern game. Number 1 is banchile nguJoseph Bakasu, umjita udlalela iWydad Casablanca, the Moroccan Giants. Already londo ithetha lukhulu londo bafethu. Umjita na 22 ngose DR Congo. Dlala iWydad londo ithetha kakhulu bafethu. uMorocco i-top league eAfrica amajita. iWydad Casablanca i-top club eMorocco. Leyo Joseph inayo talent odlala enyaweni and in a physical power bafethu, which is very important like iBetway Premiership. Unayo technical skill umjita ngwaseCongo. Amajita aseCongo amnandi enyaweni, and they've always been futhi. uBakasu unayo experience enits umjita. He has played i-CAF competitions, which is important for Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs izodlala i-CAF competitions. Unayo experience Congolese, and then udlala i-foreign country, and then sesukudlala nase-Europe umjita. Experienced footballer, quality footballer. Ingaba grand for Kaizer Chiefs. Betway Premiership like CAF Confederation Cup next season. Next player on my list, Nigerian midfielder Ibrahim Jabbar. Ulapha ekokude iStellenbosch FC. Kudala khona futhi apha sena 23 uJabbar bafika kudala khona futhi apha South Africa ngoku uJabbar. I think una 4 seasons okanye 3 seasons ngoku iStellenbosch FC. And iStellenbosch FC akuhlalwa nje pa if you're not a disciplined footballer. In previous videos bengena chaza bafethu ba iStellenbosch i-town incinci kakhulu bafethu ba so under spotlight ne-scrutiny se-club bayakwazi ukujonga ba uyakwazi uziphatha nawo disciplined na. In the past seasons bengenabona bafethu iStellenbosch kuvele kuxothwe i-players uQomhezi khiphani wenzeka ntoni after like a few months umuntu seyanjwa kuStellenbosch. Because amajita i-discipline iyajongwa nyanyani pha because it's a very small place. uJabbar has been there for 4 years. It says a lot about yena umjita. And igama lakhe xa Ibrahim, I think noba umjita li-slums futhi, and they say, you know, ama-slums most yawo, the proper Muslims, they don't drink. Amajita are very religious. That's a valuable player to have eteamini yakho, dependable. Ithini super quality yakhe. I-most central midfielders kabafethu ki-game zonke zinazo i-basics, which is uyakwazi ureceive ibhola, uyakwazi upasa. I-basic lezo midfielders nayo neke bekhona ke ngoku i-super qualities ezenza ube different kwezinye midfielders. By super quality yakhe bafethu i-movement ne-running ne-work rate yakhe nje. I-running, he never stops running uJabbar, but that doesn't say akekho grand technically. Usimilar to Marcelo Allende ki-Sundowns, wenza konke, uyadefenda, uya-attacker umjita. Why is this so important? I-running bafethu, i-running important because uJabbar bayakwazi ucreate i-overloads bafethu. Let's say umdu uki-last third ubambe ibhola ujongane ne-defender. uJabbar unala willingness nala ability yabaleka uthi gqise ibaleka sisenza i-option for umdu, yabo overload la defender ke ngoku bene 2v1 ke ngoku. So uJabbar baneza zinto ngala uyayobaleka bene energy. Most players not zonke midfielders ayenza la wena. uJabbar la nto uzoyenza for imatch yonke bafethu. Ezinye midfielders ayenza la wena mhlambi just for 10 minutes 15 minutes nene umuntu udiniwe yonqena ke ngoku. But uJabbar akayeki bafethu la imatch idiphele bafethu. And umjita yakwazi utrack na back iyasibhana le out uJabbar. Number 3 bafethu, another player that is Betway Premiership ready bafethu. Kudala dlala iBetway Premiership. Ndamulelo Maphangule bafana international le Hugo Bros uyayibiza le out ki bafana squads. Na 26 uMaphangule hard work apha kiPolokwane, is a defender. He can defend the midfield umjita if he can improve. If there's anything to improve the game yakhe, he play perfect, but okay maka improve kancane going forward, but he's gonna do the work for wena umjida. Nipolokwane City yazi ba they like a hard working team. Kuthiwa ngathi jima kayi-2 iPolokwane ngemini, ezinye teams jima kayi-1. That's why ibona iPolokwane zange relegate okune coach e-1 pa uput him ohafe. He's one of his soldiers gele out uMaphangule. Now in the physical power umjida is all good, is ready, and Kaizer Chiefs ngaba valuable addition umjida. Mfana waseLimpopo yazi ke yaseLimpopo kweza small time kwayilali zaphana izoba disciplined lena awuzoba nangxaki eJoburg ebeyisinzini uziphume ecaleni xaxesha lolala ayilelanga. Le is going to be a proper professional for Kaizer Chiefs, and also as I said better premiership rate kudala dlala kule league. Another option kaMaZulu uSiyanda Hlangabeza, midfielder AmaZulu FC, heavily linked ne-Orlando Pirates ke bafethu, but iPirates ayikayigqibile le deal yayo last time kwanye at the time of recording iPirates ibingakayenzi le deal. Maybe iPirates ichange iminds, maybe khange ngikwazi uba ne-agreement in terms of personal terms nale player kwanye namaZulu, mara le deal ithe cwaka ngayo ngoku. Kaizer Chiefs nansi quality player bafethu, defensive midfielder that can play, is very very technical and he moves very very well. He can play box to box mjida. That's why he's a top player and that's why he was targeted by Orlando Pirates. Another option is from Angola, Alder Ferreira, 28, nice and experienced. Udlala Europe eRomania, FC Potosani, contract yakhe iyaphela ngoJune, and layout bafethu he has the same agent as Kaizer Chiefs striker Flavio da Silva. Kaizer Chiefs can be able to make a deal very very easily up because they're in communication terms with the agent yale player, which was Flavio da Silva ngoba besiza Kaizer Chiefs. So there's already a direct line of communication. He's a left-footed defensive midfielder umjida, and he can play and create play and go forward in the team. Angahlali nje abama number 6 bakudala. He was playing regularly futhi team yakhe eRomania abafethu. He's not just someone who's nje from Europe manje bengadlali phana. Umjida last season he played 26 games. That is very very important bafethu xa usayina i-player. So out is a quality that Kaizer Chiefs should be trying to get bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs, remember bafethu, take the video ne, they need at least 2. So from the list bafethu, Kaizer Chiefs should at least get 2 of these players bafethu. And then yokugqibela kule list yam Ayabulela Maqwele, 25 years old, Golden Arrows. I was spoken about umjida in previous videos, quality central midfielder. And the good news is that uMaqwele uyafuna na iPirates, but Kaizer Chiefs kuthiwa zii-favorites for uba mazimsayine umjida. Kaizer Chiefs are leading this race if they have not signed him already. I won't speak about him again umjida, and you know how I feel about him. If you haven't seen the video, check out the timeline on the channel bafethu where I speak about uMaqwele. You're gonna love that video bafethu. What a player bafethu. I think he used the first signing Kaizer Chiefs eyenzileyo so far kule window. That is if Kaizer Chiefs are lethal, but I know that they were. In fact, you must watch the video bafethu. You're gonna hear what I'm saying in that video. Yeah, ndim lo bafethu kule video namhlanje. That is the 5 midfielders Kaizer Chiefs should at least sign 2 years bafethu. What do you think? That's all in comments bafethu. Ngicela libalu support the channel with a like or subscribe. Much bafethu.